Buckle up, car care crew. The countdown to the best upholstery cleaners is on, and this list is ready to refresh every seat and dash. From stubborn stains to fresh scents, we've got options that work on fabric, vinyl, and leather. Today, I'm going to be going over the best upholstery cleaners that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the generic carpet upholstery spot cleaner. This option is the budget-minded entry that shines in everyday households where quick, effective spot work is the daily bread. It is designed to be a lightweight handheld tool that excels at lifting fresh spills and stubborn stains from a range of fabric surfaces like sofa cushions, recliner fabric, car seats, and dining chairs. Key strength here is accessibility. You can grab it, fill it with a simple cleaning solution, and spray with a controlled pattern that minimizes moisture spread. The spray head is designed for precision, letting you target a specific stain without drenching surrounding areas. Formula inside is balanced to avoid oversaturation while still delivering real lift against common upholstery woes such as coffee, juice, red wine, grease, and pet messes. What makes it compelling for the 5th rank is its quick-dry performance and a forgiving learning curve. Most users report that the fabric feels noticeably cleaner after one pass, and the area dries within an hour in typical room conditions. As a spot cleaner, it isn't meant to substitute a full upholstery clean, but its compact footprint and straightforward operation make it a reliable on-the-go solution. You can operate it with one hand, which leaves the other free for blotting away excess moisture before you hit the stain with a second pass. The cleaning tank is easy to fill and remove, and the nozzle provides a comfortable spray that suits both wide spills and tighter spots. Craftsmanship focuses on durability without bulk, so the unit sits easily in a cleaning caddy or a small utility closet. In addition to the practical design, the device tends to be economically friendly to maintain. Reusable pads or brushes are optional per user preference, and the general cleaning solution used is widely available, enabling readers to pick a compatible formula without breaking the bank. If you are just starting your upholstery care journey, or you want a simple supplement to your more heavy-duty cleaner, this option delivers predictable, forgiving results with a quick learning curve. Paired to the BISSELL 1400 billion, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the generic carpet upholstery spot cleaner trades extra power and range for simplicity and portability, making it an ideal starter tool for small messes and fun. At number 4, we have the BISSELL 1400 billion. This compact, portable cleaner is a classic choice for quick upholstery refreshes and spot removal without dragging out a larger machine. Its design emphasizes a 2-tank system that separates clean solution from dirty rinse water, preventing cross-contamination and making it easier to maintain consistent cleaning results. Spray mechanism delivers a steady, adjustable pattern that covers a reasonable area without soaking the fabric, while the suction head is sized for sofas, chairs, car interiors, and stairs where space is tight. Think of the BISSELL 1400 billion as a versatile performer that handles light to moderate stain challenges with confidence, aided by a scrub-friendly nozzle and accessible controls. The machine tends to perform well on everyday fabrics, microfiber, cotton blends, and upholstered vinyls, with care instructions pointing toward test spots in inconspicuous areas to avoid color transfer. Notable benefit is its reliable recovery tank and simple emptying process, which helps minimize downtime between rooms. It is also appreciated for its durability and compact footprint, which means it can tuck away behind a sofa or in a broom closet when not in use. From a maintenance standpoint, the 2-tank arrangement reduces mess and offers a straightforward approach to cleaning solution use, while the durable plastic body resists everyday knocks and bumps. While the cleaning power is solid for a portable unit, those dealing with more stubborn, set-in stains, or larger surface areas may lean toward a heavier-duty option later. Paired to the generic carpet upholstery spot cleaner, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the BISSELL 1400 billion brings a step up in power, a cleaner process, and a more robust tank system, translating to longer sessions between refills and more consistent results on slightly tougher stains. At number 3, we have the Chemical Guy's Lightning Fast. Name that signals rapid, efficient stain removal paired with a no-fuss approach to upholstery cleaning. This product is positioned as a fast-acting extractor that pairs with a strong cleaning solution to break apart oils and pigments, even on textiles that see heavy, everyday use. Spray volume and pattern are tuned to deliver a dependable mist that covers a broad area without saturating the fabric, while the suction head is optimized to pull away moisture quickly, contributing to a shorter dry time. Users will appreciate the tool's ergonomic grip, balanced weight, and a nozzle that swivels to reach tight corners, couch arms, and the underside of cushions. One of the advantages here is how the cleaner handles high-traffic areas such as family rooms, play zones, and pet-stained zones, where quick refreshes help maintain the space between deeper cleans. Formula is designed to be safe for common upholstery fabrics, but as with all cleaners, a test patch on an inconspicuous area is advised. It is also compatible with a range of microfiber surfaces, cotton blends, and synthetic fabrics. Beyond stain removal, the product contributes to odor control and leaves a light, fresh scent that many users associate with a cleaner home environment. In terms of user experience, the tool offers straightforward assembly and simple rinse-out for repeated uses, making it a practical option for homeowners who want reliable results without a steep learning curve. Compared to the generic carpet upholstery spot cleaner, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the Chemical Guy's Lightning Fast provides a more aggressive stain attack and faster overall turnaround, with a design that emphasizes speed and efficiency for quick refreshes rather than deep, professional-grade cleaning sessions. At number 2, we have the FAVIRZCE Couch Cleaner Stain Remover. This unit leans into a more concentrated cleaning approach, offering a strong stain-fighting formula that targets older, set-in marks on fabrics, as well as light to moderate spills. The design emphasizes an ergonomic, easy-to-handle form with a slim nozzle that can slip into tighter spaces. Ideal for tight chair corners, car seats, and cushions that are hard to reach. Product is marketed as a multi-surface solution, but the strongest results tend to come from textiles that tolerate gentle agitation and solvency as part of the cleaning process. Its build quality is focused on durability and long-term use, with sturdy plastics and a comfortable grip that reduces fatigue while you work. The spray pattern is customizable, enabling a fine mist or a stronger jet depending on the stain's severity, while the recovery mechanism is designed to minimize drips and messes when switching between spots. The benefit here is the enhanced ability to handle coffee, ink, wine, and greasy residues across fabrics that see ordinary wear. Though not necessarily a full upholstery system, it works well for routine stain management and occasional touch-ups, preserving the look of upholstered furniture without requiring frequent professional cleaning. For best results, apply the cleaner directly to the stain, work it in gently with a soft brush or cloth, and allow a brief dwell time before blotting and extracting. Compared to the BISSELL 1400 billion, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the FAVIRZCE Couch Cleaner Stain Remover offers a more targeted, quick-action approach to stains with a lighter footprint and often a lower price point that makes it accessible for households seeking fast, affordable touch-ups. At number 1, we have the Tineco Carpet One. Top spot goes to a cordless, versatile machine that blends strong suction with effective wet cleaning capabilities, making it a comprehensive solution for upholstery, carpets, stairs, and area rugs. What sets the Tineco Carpet One apart is its integrated design, a compact, battery-powered system that can transition from a light surface cleaning to a deeper extraction task without needing to plug in or swap machines. Cleaning head is designed to maintain consistent contact with fabric surfaces, maximizing lift while minimizing surface moisture. This model is often celebrated for its multi-surface compatibility, enabling you to tackle couches, chair cushions, car seats, and even light automotive interiors with minimal reconfiguring. Suction power is calibrated to pull out moisture efficiently, which reduces drying times and helps you manage large spots or multiple rooms in a single cleaning session. Typical usage includes vacuuming up loose debris first, then applying a targeted wash to the stain with a controlled spray, followed by a thorough extraction pass to recover the dirty liquid. Container design is intuitive, with a clear fill line and easy emptying capabilities, allowing for quick maintenance between tasks. The battery life typically supports extended cleaning sessions, while fast-charging features help keep you moving. Safety-wise, the unit is designed for home use with clear fabric care guidelines and a color-safe cleaning solution, and it can be integrated with assorted upholstery fabrics without compromising color retention when used as directed. Users balancing convenience with performance, the Tineco Carpet One delivers a value-forward package, portability, solid cleaning power, and the peace of mind that you can manage many cleanup scenarios without stepping up to a full-sized extractor. Compared to the Chemical Guy's Lightning Fast, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Tineco Carpet One emphasizes a cordless, all-in-one experience with sustained suction and extraction, making it the go-to choice for those who prize mobility and quick turnaround on a variety of surfaces.